When it comes to ISOBO, we've done our analysis after visiting sites. We conducted our resistivity survey. We've gotten depths of drilling. At the same time, there are challenges peculiar with the terrain.
Good evening, my wonderful people. Good evening. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka. I am a Unified Igbos now proponent and also the chairperson of Ndi IGBO, Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. We are responsible for the Igbo Aid program, currently providing aid to the ISOBO community and other indigent communities in Igbo land that are also carved outside the southeast. Right here, I am with, you are becoming a regular face on Namen TV platform. This is the chief engineer of Fortress Drilling and Logistic Company. I have him here because we are finalizing on the final stage of the borehole that we proposed, that Ndi IGBO are sponsoring actually to the ISOBO community. First of all, I must thank the CEO of Pine Leaf Estates in the person of Bishop Onye. Well, I will come to that later on. So, my brother, I would want you to explain to Ndi IGBO what we are expecting in ISOBO, what kind of projects, water project are we expecting in ISOBO, based on you went there.
Yes.
You tested the soil. What do you call it again?
We call it geophysical survey.
Geophysical survey, all no manka. But then, please explain to Ndi IGBO exactly what we are expecting.
Okay, Ndi IGBO ekene mono. Okwa mwa mwachiko okwani. Like the chairperson actually said, I've been a frequent face in the Igbo Aid platform. When it comes to ISOBO, we've done our analysis after visiting sites. We conducted our resistivity survey. We've gotten depths of drilling. At the same time, there are challenges peculiar with the terrain, but we are designing this particular well to mitigate such challenges. ISOBO has a history of failed wells. Okay, some of them are solar pump powered. The other ones are just the same electrical submersible pumps. So the challenges there has been shale and salt dome intrusion. But what Fortress want to do in ISOBO is a miracle. The same way Moses struck this rock and he got water for the Israelites. That's what Fortress want to do in ISOBO. We are going to drill up to 100-meter depth, drill through the entire fissile shale formation, and also install a Mark II wellhead or pump, as some of you know it. This is not just economical, it also reduces the cost, because when you have your solar pump installed and you don't have technicians frequently visiting the I think part of the reasons they are failing is lack of maintenance. The technicians are not on ground visiting, and at the same time too, there have been an incidence of one of the boreholes being located in the primary school producing salt water. So probably they hit a salt dome in the process of drilling, and without taking into cognizance the welfare of the community, they just completed their project and they left on. Fortress won't be doing that. Fortress is a partner to Igbo Aid, and Fortress wants to see actually that there is potable, clean water in ISOBO. Not just potable, clean, but economically viable. There is no point stressing the people much to get them clean water by installing state-of-the-art systems that will fail in due time. No, we're going to do something that will be sustainable long-term, pending when there are other bigger government interventions in the place.
Very well, brother. Very well. I thank you. Like I said, ụmụ Igbo ndị ọma, ụmụ Igbo ndị m na-agara ozi, ụmụ Igbo ndị sị m na m kwụrụ ma kwụrụ na mgbawa ma gbafuo. This is the Fortress Logistics, Drilling and Logistics. We are having a partnership. Fortress is partnering with the Igbo Aid, because the ISOBO Aid, the ISOBO project is not just the only project that we are going to handle for the Igbo communities, for the indigent communities. We will be going to places, we will be discovering more people, more communities that needs aid, that needs help. So different things, not just water. We will be able, in fact, to take care of Ali Igbo. Ndi IGBO will aid Ali Igbo. So this is why I want to say a very, very, very huge thank you to the CEO and the staffs and members of Pine Leaf Estate. The CEO, Bishop Onye, you have aided us. And also the Bitcoin chief in the person of Gaius Chibweze. You all have done so well for Ndi IGBO. You aided Ali Igbo, and I know in the nearest future you will be aiding Ali Igbo more. And to every person who has contributed, who has donated in one way or the other, who has donated their hard-earned money, you are doing this for Ali Igbo, and Ali Igbo shall continually bless you. Ali Igbo shall continually enrich you. Ali Igbo shall continually protect you. Ali Igbo shall continually provide that which you need. Your whole need shall be met by Chukwu Okike, whom we worship. And I thank every person who has not contributed. I say, do this for Ali Igbo. It is not about what Ali Igbo will do for you, but what you will do for Ali Igbo. Igbo will aid Ali Igbo. We should look inwards. We should develop ourselves starting from now. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you, nwanne. Thank you. Nwanne m Ukwani. Enwegoro obodo Ukwani na Delta State, you know. So geze bahasi si Ukwani bata ebe ka Ukwani se ba gawe ba.
Nwachukwu Ukwani bụ onye n'ike Onitsha akụrụ n'Enugu State.
Onye n'ike Onitsha akụrụ.
So inu n'ike, we are the owners of Enugu.
Wow. Ngwanụ nwanne m enwero. From ISOBO, we will be going to many places.
Going to places,
yes.
Providing aids, providing water, and every other basic necessity.
Udo.